In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website for free using Replit. By the end, you'll have a live website you can preview, open in a new tab, and publish, all without paying for hosting. Start by heading to the Replit homepage in your browser. On the homepage, look for the option to use a ready-made idea or template, then choose Use this idea. This gives you a starting point with the basic files already set up. When the prompt appears, click Start to spin up your project. You may see Start more than once. Go ahead and confirm each prompt until your workspace opens. Inside the workspace, select the highlighted template or project that appears so it loads in the editor. You'll notice highlighted elements guiding you. Follow them to open the main project files. Typically, you'll see an HTML file for structure, a CSS file for styles, and sometimes a JavaScript file. Click the highlighted items to navigate around and get familiar with where things live. You may see a preview or settings control with options like low, medium, high, and max. Click through each one to see how the preview or performance changes. This is useful for checking how your site looks in different modes or speeds. When you're done exploring those options, click Cancel to return to your normal view. Next, click the highlighted fields or sections in the editor and type your own content. Replace placeholder text with your name, your project title, or a short description, whatever the template is prompting you to customize. When a small confirmation or helper message appears, click the Thank You button to dismiss it and keep going. Now it's time to see your site in action. Click View Preview to run the project. If it's still loading, click View Preview again after a moment. Use the external link or Open in New tab icon to check your website in a full browser tab. This makes it easier to review layout, fonts, and spacing at real size. When you're happy with how it looks, click Publish. Then choose Publish Your App to deploy it publicly. Follow the highlighted prompts to finish the process. Replit will build and host your site for you, and you'll get a shareable link when it's done. If you see additional highlighted confirmations, click through them to finalize the publish. That's it. Your website is live. You can come back anytime, edit text or styles, preview the changes, and publish again to update the live version. Replit handles the hosting so you can focus on your content. Enjoy sharing your site.